The Indian flag, also known as the tricolour or Tiranga, holds great significance as the national flag of India. It is a powerful symbol that represents the country's rich history, diverse culture, and unwavering spirit. In this blog, we will explore the deep meaning behind the Indian flag, its design elements, and the emotions it evokes in every Indian heart. Join us on a journey of patriotism and pride as we unravel the story of the Indian flag. The Indian flag features 3 horizontal stripes of saffron, white, and green, with the Ashoka Chakra, a 24-spoke wheel, in navy blue at the center. Each color and symbol holds its own significance, representing different aspects of India's heritage and aspirations. Saffron, strength and courage. The topmost stripe, saffron, symbolizes courage, sacrifice, and the spirit of renunciation. It represents the strength and determination of the Indian people in their pursuit of justice and equality. White, peace and truth. The middle stripe, white, signifies peace, purity, and truth. It reflects the lofty ideals and principles that India upholds, promoting unity, harmony, and integrity among its diverse population. Green, growth and fertility. The bottom stripe, green, symbolizes growth, fertility, and auspiciousness. It represents the agricultural richness of the land and the importance of nurturing the environment for a sustainable future. Ashoka Chakra, Wheel of Progress. The Ashoka Chakra at the center of the flag is inspired by the lion capital of Ashoka, an ancient Indian sculpture. It represents the eternal wheel of time and progress, signifying India's desire to move forward with integrity, righteousness, and justice. The Indian flag was adopted on the 22nd of July 1947, and it holds immense historical significance as a symbol of India's independence from colonial rule. It embodies the sacrifices made by freedom fighters and serves as a reminder of their struggle for freedom. The flag is hoisted with great pride and respect on national holidays and important occasions, such as Republic Day and Independence Day. The national anthem is sung while hoisting the flag, fostering a sense of unity and patriotism among the citizens. There are certain guidelines and protocols for handling and displaying the Indian flag. It should always be treated with utmost respect and dignity, and it should never touch the ground or be used for any disrespectful purposes. The Indian flag is not just a piece of cloth. It is a symbol that invokes deep emotions and a sense of national pride. People proudly display the flag on their homes, cars, and clothing, especially during national celebrations and sporting events. The Indian flag serves as a unifying force, bringing together people from different religions, languages, and regions under one common identity. It represents the diversity of India and the collective aspirations of its people. The Indian flag stands tall as a beacon of hope, unity, and national pride. It represents the ideals and values that India cherishes and strives to uphold. Let us honor and respect this symbol of our nationhood and continue to work together to build a better future for India and its people. Note, when using the Indian flag, always ensure you adhere to the guidelines and protocols set by the Government of India to show proper respect and honor for the national flag.